In this video, we show you how to make vegan chocolate chip brioche buns. They are super fluffy and healthy. Let's do this! First, mix 15 grams or half an ounce of plain flour with instant dry yeast. And then with 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce of lukewarm almond milk. If you see this mixture bubble and grow over the next 5 minutes, then your dry yeast is working well. Meanwhile, grab another bowl and add the remaining plain flour, the wholemeal flour, the starch, and the salt. Stir well to get an even mix of dry ingredients. Then pour in the oil, orange juice for flavor and natural sweetness, soy yogurt or another dairy-free variety, and the remaining almond milk. Now add the yeast mixture we prepared earlier. Give it a rough mix to incorporate the ingredients. Finally, add in the chocolate chips. Time to knead. The dough is very sticky, so you won't be able to knead it by hand. Use a hand or stand mixer fitted with dough hooks, or arm yourself with a wooden spoon and a little bit of patience. Now for the proving, get another bowl, oil it well and transfer in the dough. We expect the dough to double in volume, so use a big enough bowl for that. Oil the dough to keep it moist and cover the bowl with cling film. Let it rest in a warm spot for 50 minutes, wrapped in a blanket. Look how much this beauty will grow. Now get a deep baking tray and oil it well. Ours is 28 by 20 centimeters or 11 by 8 inches. Keeping your hands well oiled for the next step will make it easy to handle the dough. Transfer the dough onto your workstation and cut it into 16 equal parts. Depending on the size of your tray, you may or may not fit all the 16 rolls at once. We used our big tray to fit 12 and a smaller one for the rest. Shaping the brioche buns is easy. Take a dough ball, stretch out the edges and tuck them under. Do this a few times and then place the bun on the tray. The only important thing is to position your buns close and equally distant from one another and avoid leaving large empty gaps in your tray. Otherwise, the brioche buns will grow horizontally instead of vertically. Now, we need to let the brioche buns prove for another 30 minutes. Let's first brush them with a bit of oil to keep them moist. Then, let's cover the tray with cling film. While you wait, turn on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or at 355 degrees Fahrenheit in static mode, so that by the time the buns are fully proofed, we are ready to bake. This is the other tin we used for the remaining rolls. After 30 minutes, your buns should look plump and happy. You can now bake them right away, or optionally, give them a little vegan egg wash. Check the description for how to make this vegan egg wash. Okay, you can now bake your chocolate brioche buns in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Once ready, they should look nice and browned. Wait a few minutes and transfer them to a wire rack to cool down. All done! You can have these vegan buns warm or cold. They are so very soft and fragrant, you'll want to hug them. If they survive the first day, keep them in an airtight container. Enjoy!